In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images after uploading them to WordPress. Whether you're aiming for a cleaner look on your website or you need specific dimensions for a project, resizing your images can make all the difference. First, let's start by heading over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, you're going to see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page, so go ahead and click on that. Now, if you prefer quick access like most of us do, you can choose to continue with Google. Simply click on Continue with Google and you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Select your account and you'll be logged into WordPress seamlessly without having to remember another password. With that done, let's get to the real deal. Head over to your media library where all your uploaded images are stored. If you're unfamiliar with where that might be, you can find it conveniently linked or accessible from your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, select the image you need to resize and click on Edit. This option will be your best friend when it comes to making adjustments and enhancements to your images. When the editing screen appears, look over to the left and you'll find Edit Image. Click on that and this will open a whole new interface where you can perform multiple editing actions. Now here comes the fun part. You'll have the option to either crop your image using the cropping tool provided or manually type in the exact dimensions you require on the right side of the screen. If you choose to type in your dimensions, take a moment to ensure they're correct. This is crucial in maintaining the quality and aspect ratio of your image. Once you're satisfied with the changes, it's time to put them into action. Go ahead and click on Apply Crop. By doing so, your edits are confirmed and your image is resized to fit your needs. Take a moment to review the resized image to ensure everything looks just right before saving your changes. And there you have it, you've successfully resized your image after uploading it to WordPress. This simple process can greatly enhance the visual design of your website and ensure that every image fits perfectly within your content. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try this process a few times until you're comfortable with it. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.